Good day, my friend, and thank you for watching my channels and my videos. I truly hope the video I shoot are very useful to you and can help you with your car to maintain it the way it should be. Okay? As you know, all my videos have a link at the bottom where you can, if you want to, help the channel, and some of you have actually contributed, which I'm very grateful for, and I would like to show you where that money is going to. Okay, so what I've done, I've purchased one of the best microphone days on the market, actually, which is this one. Let me show it to you. Hopefully you can see it. It's a Rode videomic Pro Plus, because as you have seen, some of my videos were shot in winter, and sometimes there's a lot of wind, and the quality of the video is actually quite bad. So hopefully with this you'll have better video qualities, and obviously for you will be better. Okay, so to all of you that contributed and send me some money from time to time, I'm very grateful. So as you see, that's going for you guys. Hopefully you'll have better video from now on. Okay, also some people think that when we're on YouTube and the channels are monetized that we earn a lot of money. It's absolutely false. Okay, so let me tell you what's going on. YouTube actually censor a lot of videos, or sometimes they demonetize videos. And what happens when you see a video, you will see adverts, but it's actually, there's nothing for the creator, nothing for us. So in fact we get very little. This is why you will see a lot of channels, sometimes very big channels, that do promote other products. You will say, oh, and buy this product, or you see that brand, or register and give that code. Why they do that? Because there's not enough revenue on YouTube. Okay, so now you know you know a bit more what's going on. So anyway, thank you very much. Okay, I will continue shooting videos, obviously. Right now I'm a bit busy, so I don't have much time, to be honest, but yes, some videos are on the pipeline and they will coming out shortly. So once again, thank you very much appreciated, and hopefully the next video coming will be even better. Okay, take care of yourself.